How to add a blocklist filter on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add blocklist filter on Facebook. So if you don't want certain things on your Facebook profile or your comment section, you can easily add blocklist filter so that it will completely block out those kind of specific words or anything else. Tap on the menu icon at the top right, then find the gear icon right besides it. From there, you want to scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility, then find Followers and Public Content. Tap on it, then at the very bottom you can find Block List Filter. Tap on it again, and you can choose a list of words, phrases, or emojis that you want to hide from your profile. And you can have variation of keywords that use numbers, symbols, or different spellings that are automatically hidden. You can easily add your keyword. So let's say if I don't want certain words, like I'll just do random hello, it will be hidden. You can also add different emojis like this one and tap on done. And you can also tap on save. You've successfully updated your block list filter. If you found this helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.